Here's a quick setup guide on my KS0. First, you want to plug in the Ethernet and then the power cord. Next, go to iceriver.io. Click on Support, then click Tutorial. Next, you're going to want to download the batch processing tool. Once you've extracted the file and opened it, it should look like this. Press and hold your button for 1 to 2 seconds. While holding the button, click Detect IP. Then your IP should pop up. It should look something like this. Then put your IP address in your web browser. Your first login will be admin, and your password will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then click on Mining Settings. Delete everything. Put in your pool here, and then your wallet address here. Click fan percent, and make sure it's at 100. Then scroll to the right hand side and save. Then press restart. After it reboots, you should start to see it in your pool. And after 5 minutes, it'll start to pop up on your dashboard.